Umentri rangba ka jella Conrad Sangma ha ka arfu pratarik jelliu ula jurib dalade ya ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong bat sami ki certificate bat appointment letter sha ki samla ki bala pendap ya ka jingpuli na ka ni ka shlam ai jihikai ban yang hala ki jongki ki jan. Umentri rangba Conrad Sangma habakran ula ong ba ula banyo iya ka dur khmat bat ka jingthrang jong ki samla ki bala pendap ya ka jingpuli bakin le ai bat ka ne kalong ka bakong santam ha ka jing em bat banrap ba ki samla ki de ki bor ba jong ka jella bat ka ri henrei ki dan pat ki jingten ju bat pendan kami ki samla ha ki kam ba pher ki balong ha ka linti ka ba mentoy. Umentri rangba ula yaro ya ka Don Bosco Technical School ya usinyang uba kalano sya ka imlang salang bat ula ong ba ka Don Bosco ka de ka kenhuan ka bahe bat da ka jinga trailang enthau lat ban penhe ya ka thong bat ka jing ang nut ban kenjo ya ka thong.
There is a sense of this passion that I saw in all of you, this spark that's there in all of you, this desire to really do something, and that's really, I tell you, the most important aspect in life when you do something. You need to ensure that whatever you are doing or thinking or believing, the two people who came here and spoke, you could see that sense of passion in their voice and in their eyes and what they wanted to do or what they're doing. Today, Meghalaya and the entire country faces a very, very tough situation. We have, as we speak, and I would put 18 years as the age which we would say as an adult and a person who is joining the workforce. So based on the 2004 data or 2005 data, the children or the youth that are today turning 18, we have approximately 60,000 of them in Meghalaya every year. And as of today, there are 80,000 children that are born every year in Meghalaya. Which means in 2041, we will be having approximately 80,000 youths that will join the workforce every year. So you are seeing this trend of number of youths that are coming into the workforce, which is a great strength for our state and our country. But at the same time, a very big challenge for us. That how do we ensure that this workforce is used in a productive manner? We have all heard about government jobs, reservation, roster, all these past 6 months. Let me tell you, out of the 60,000 youths who are joining the workforce every year, there is only 1,000 government jobs available for the 60 out of the 60,000. Just 1,000. MPSC, approximately 300 to 400 to 500 advertisements come out every year. 400 to 500. And others, maybe another 200-300, plus minus, you can say about 1,000 on an average. Every year, government jobs will come out. So what happens to the rest of the 59,000 children? And that is where the real challenge lies for us.